This is Frederick, and this is a video, to give you a run through the back end. This is the new index page, and this is where you're gonna get to once you've logged in. Essentially, this is a dump looking page. With the names of the store, the total that you have on each of the stores. So if you click on one of these, you're gonna see the list of the coupons that belong to the store. Okay, as you can click the edit to edit the coupon data and then just save it. So you can go into any of these stores and you will see the coupons that are in each of the stores and be able to edit the data or delete. Simply delete one of the buttons. Okay, the basic procedure is, let's say this is empty. So let's click the empty the database. So it's all done, and you're gonna hit the preload database. It's gonna give you how many coupons were processed and last process, and immediately it will add them right under you. So this is gonna give you the date. I cannot put the date here from the cron job as this when you preload it, but when the cron job is gonna happen. We're gonna set the time for the cron job for you, and you're gonna see any of these here listed, so you'll see the total coupons that have been added. This is going to show right after you do it, preload database plimp, and it is going to show it. So when you're ready, you're just going to click send to WordPress, and it's going to send all of them to WordPress. I had done a test recently, and as you can see, this is 1 minute ago, and these are some that I sent out over here. So essentially what you're going to do is you're going to preload the database, you're going to edit, delete the coupons that you want to keep, the ones that you don't want, and the ones that need edited, and you're going to hit send to WordPress. One thing right now that I wanted to go over, okay, I do need to update it. I have it running from a file in your drive again. It's called deals.json. Reason being is that we reached the limit, okay, the limit on calls. So essentially right now I am blocked from doing calls until they unblock it. And as you can see, if we do a call to the file, it's just not loading. Okay, it's the data is not loading because they blocked us. They have like a 1,500 requests a day notice. So in order for us to test it, I had to just set it up and change it to that file, and all it takes is just replacing this, for that, and it'll immediately, be working, and taking the data, from their site. Right now, it's just we reach the limit. So the other thing is we do have the old page. Called it manual, index manual. And so this one's still here. You can use it if you want, or we can delete it, but it's still here. It doesn't work essentially the same way, but you can click save for review and add them. So what I've been doing to do the test on the database, what I've done is let's say we delete the database. Okay, so this is delete it. Let's say we do it's the cache sometimes caches these in, so that's where we're seeing it, but it's actually delete it. So let's say we add one for review, and we add another one for review. Okay, so now we just have two. And these two, one from Coffee Bean and one from Busted Tees. Here's the Busted Tees, So then we go back, and then we're gonna hit send to WordPress. It's gonna ask us send to WordPress, are we sure? And we're gonna hit yes. Bloom. So he's going to send them and he's going to delete them. They're no longer on the preloaded database. So I'm just going to the draft area. As you can see, here's the one that we did 38 minutes ago, and here's the two new ones from the database. And you have full control of these, and you can log in and edit them. Okay, there's two things that I need. I need the place where you set up the cron jobs in your hosting. I had asked you already on an email for this data. Please forward it over. And I need the credentials of the user that's going to be allowed to send the post. Right now we have my user. I'll keep it with that one. Just be aware that once you take away my permissions, it won't be able to be used. So if you do have credentials to send me, please forward over and I'll replace it. Also, please forward over the link, to set up the cron job. The file's ready, to be entered into the cron job, and all I need to do is enter the path and how often we want to run it. Both the delete file and the preload to data database file are ready. So I just need to get the place where you set up the cron jobs on WP Engine. Thank you, Ryan. Hope this run through helps you know clear up any questions that you have, and let me know if you need anything else changed. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.